So as my career as a tech reviewer continues to grow, so does my paranoia that I'm going to become the target of porch pirates. Oftentimes, I get several packages dropped off per day, and it makes me extremely anxious to know that they could be sitting there unguarded on my porch until I get home from work. One of my plans is to build a drop bin that can only be accessed via lock and key, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. It must be my lucky day though, because the people at Tenvis have reached out to me and asked me to review this smart cam that is another deterrent in keeping porch pirates away from your property. With this camera, I should be able to monitor what's going on my porch and get alerts to any kind of movement or activity that goes on via my cell phone. I really like that. Now, I do want to put out there that Tenvis did send me this camera for free for review purposes, but I am under no obligation to give any sort of good review just because it was provided to me. Any opinions that I express in this video are mine and mine alone. And as always, if you like this product, there will be a link to buy it in the description below. If you buy through that link, it does help me out. But I've talked about this enough, so let's pop it open and see what's inside. Alright, so here it is, the cloud storage intelligent camera from Tenvis. Inside the box we get the standard fare of instruction and promotional paperwork, the power adapter, mounting screws, and the camera itself. The camera has 3 breakouts on its pigtail, an Ethernet port, a reset switch, and the power input. The camera has an access panel with a single screw that you remove to access the micro SD card slot. Be sure not to lose the rubber waterproofing gasket when you add your SD card. You'll need to download the Tenvis Smart app from your respective app store to access and control the camera. After installing the Tenvis Smart app, you'll be prompted to create an online account. Then from within the app, you'll be prompted to add a device. This device in particular is a video surveillance device. From there, we choose Smart Camera. With the camera powered on, hold the button on the reset dongle until the camera resets. In my case, I heard a prompt tone. From within the app, tap Next. Here, you'll select your home's Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. This will generate a QR code on your phone's screen. Hold the phone about 5 to 8 inches away from the camera so that the camera can clearly scan the QR code. If everything goes as planned, the camera will join your home Wi-Fi network. Now that the camera is added, we can click on Done and mount the camera wherever we want it, as long as it's within Wi-Fi range. From within the Tenvis app, you have the option to purchase a cloud storage subscription, but I passed on this service. Outside, I mounted the camera catty corner above my front door, and the lens on the camera is wide enough to capture anyone standing at my front door and give plenty of clear coverage of my entire front porch. For a surveillance camera, the video quality is outstanding, and we can change back and forth from SD to HD quality with a single tap of the screen. When movement is detected, the camera's alarm is triggered, and it will begin recording video for 10 seconds. From within the app, you can set an alarm-sensitive area, and you can also scale back on the alarm sensitivity level if you feel that you're getting too many alerts. When it gets dark, the camera will switch to night vision mode, yet still offer a crystal clear picture. When it detects movement, the camera's built-in floodlight will kick on, offering full color as it records, which is also handy for offering extra light when taking out the trash to the curb at night. Also, from within the app, you can turn that light on and off remotely. The camera has a built-in speaker and microphone, and from within the Tenvis app, you can easily communicate through your phone to anyone who is standing within proximity of the camera. Also, the camera can be panned and readjusted on the fly remotely. Playback is pretty simple too. You can select by calendar date, and the alarm recordings are marked at timestamps on the daily clock. My only real complaint with this camera is that it is very dependent on the phone app, and there doesn't seem to be any way of looking at the video feed in a web browser that I could find. So that's my review of the Tenvis Smart Cam. I really like this product a lot. It helps me go to work a lot less paranoid, knowing that these packages can be dropped off and I can keep an eye on my porch throughout the day. And I do want to extend a sincere thank you to Tenvis for sending me this product to review and making this video possible. As I mentioned before, there's a link to this product in the description below if you want to buy one for yourself, and if you do buy through that link, it does help me out. I would also like to thank my supporters on Patreon for their donations and continued encouragement. If you would like to support this channel on Patreon, there will be a link in the description below. Donations are much appreciated, but never expected or required, especially in these hard times. Take care of you and yours first. If you like this video, be sure to check out one of my other videos, and if you want to help my channel grow, do all of the YouTube stuff down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.